So hello everyone, this is Akshay and welcome to my channel. So yes, had a long day, worked really hard I think, but not able to perform very well in study, and also while running I was not able to give my 100 plus efforts because I am having chin pain. So I just jogged, I did jogging and I did few normal exercises, body movements like push-ups etc. And yes, after that right now I'm just feeling कि मैंने अपना 110% नहीं दिया, तो मेरे अंदर से आ रहा है कि यार I should do something. I'm feeling bit motivated, कुछ होता है ना अंदर से आता है, तो I'm feeling that. So I was thinking कि मुझे अभी मैं क्या करूँ कि लक्ष्मीकांत का मैं चैलेंज ले रहा हूँ कि लक्ष्मीकांत मैं एज मच एज पॉसिबल कवर करूँगा. तो यार लेट्स सी कितना होता है, क्या होता है. तो यार लेट्स गो. Okay, so fundamental rights are finished. So the next topic is, as you know, DPSP, Directive Principle of State Policy, and then fundamental duties. So I'll try to cover both of these topics together in one go. And हाँ मतलब पार्ट वन जो है इसका लक्ष्मीकांत का वो मैं ख़त्म करूँगा पूरा. एंड विल स्टार्ट एंड ट्राई टू फिनिश पार्ट टू ऑल्सो टुडे. ऑलराइट, दिस इज़ व्हाट आई एम थिंकिंग. चलो देखते हैं आगे कितना होता है और कितना नहीं होता है. So it's 12 in the night now. After studying for continuously approximately 2 hours, I'm feeling a little bit lazy now. Firstly, I was very motivated, but now with time, motivation थोड़ा नीचे हो जाती है. And yes, I am feeling sleepy. अभी थोड़ा मुँह धोता हूँ, दोबारा कुछ सोचता हूँ, दोबारा नेक्स्ट टारगेट ना जो पार्ट 2 है लक्ष्मीकांत का. I will stick to it. We'll make a plan and make one or in I'll try to complete in between 2 to 3 sessions or 1 to 2. Let's see कितने बनते हैं. And okay, see ya. Nature sounds the best. अब नींद खुलेगी. So yes, the constitutional framework, the part 1 of Lakshmikant is done. Okay, so next target which I am trying to accomplish now is the part 2, the system of government. इसमें पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम से शुरुआत करके फेडरल सिस्टम, सेंट्रल, स्टेट, इंटर स्टेट और इमरजेंसी प्रोविजन जो हैं सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है हमारे CDS के लिए. Okay, I'll try to cover these as soon as possible. तो चलो करते हैं अभी. द टाइम इज़ अराउंड 12:10 नाउ. तो 12:10 हैं तो 1:30 बजे तक कर ही दूँगा, शायद 2 बज जाएंगे. चलो लेट्स सी. Well, the targets are done. I'm extremely tired also. Body needs rest. Enough sleep is also needed. 7 hours, 6 to 7 hours is enough. ये जो 8 घंटे बोलते रहते हैं वो भी ठीक है, चलो क्या बोल सकते हैं किसी को, बट 6 to 7 hours इतनी नींद लेके इंसान बढ़िया से परफॉर्म कर सकता है in any situation. So don't just go into these things कि 8 hours sleep is much needed, न्यूरॉन सेल वो हो जाएंगे, स्लो हो जाएंगे, एटसेट्रा. कुछ नहीं होता. I used to sleep for around 5 hours also, so it doesn't matter much. So yes, it was a good day, and yes, the push I gave today अभी ending में, it somehow will add to my performance in my exam also. And also, you know, I'm doing some efforts in physical workout also. I'm losing weight. I lost around 5 to 6 kgs in last 1 month, so it's also a big achievement for me. So yes, I'm looking forward क्या क्या कर सकता हूँ. Just giving my best in any situation, whatsoever is coming in my way. I'm grabbing every opportunity and giving my 110% in every place. So yes, let's sleep now. Baki, I hope you also are working hard. So yes, just keep working hard no matter what. The time will come and your good days will be there. So yes, never give up. Just keep going, and the day will be there. All right, good night.